Good evening. We are in Easington, near Stairs, North Yorkshire.
Not the proper Easington.
There is an Easington in the northeast of England as well as.
There's loads of them,
Easington.
but we all know the one and only true Easington.
Never heard of her. So why are we
you
here?
haven't seen Alpine, Siberian Easington.
I have seen that.
Yeah.
You dummy, didn't you? So why are we here, dude? No, I didn't mean why we're here. We're here because we're hydrating ahead of a big day tomorrow.
Oh yeah, tomorrow, yes.
The big day tomorrow is...
on a boat ride?
Boat trip.
Boat ride?
Boat ride. Make it sound better. Like expedition.
A North Sea pelagic.
Nice, pelagic. So we're on a pelagic tomorrow. Focused target species of Cory shearwater. So basically, Johnny needs Cory shearwater for Yorkshire, and he called in the big guns.
That's not what happened.
He was like, I tell you what I'll do. I'll get Johnny up here to show me a Corys for me list, and here I am.
It is
hero.
It is a bit of a soft spot in my Yorkshire list. Cory shearwater. It's quite hard to predict.
Would you say it was embarrassing?
What, this? criminally embarrassing. Yes, a little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
A bit of a tart's tip.
But you saying that I instigated this trip is less than honest.
You were like, please come and show me the Cory shearwater, Johnny.
You asked me to come and hold your hand while you touched the minke whale.
That is what happened. And what I really want to do is get like really good footage and photographs of a minke whale with a camera. I'm in North Yorkshire and my camera is safely in Suffolk.
It's going to be great tomorrow.
That's the sort of thing you'd expect from talented YouTubers. What did we do today though? Apart from hydrate, what have we done today?
I did some driving. And then we did some sweaty walking.
I perspired. I liberally perspired.
Up onto the old nab above stairs. We had a little sea watch up there. That was really nice.
It was very pleasant. Highlights would be...
Loads of birds. Loads of birds.
Too much. But we should say that the lion's share were way out. Way out. I mean, miles.
You're high on these cliffs in North Yorkshire, and it's not a great place for sea watching.
Not like Southwold.
So yes,
but we did have Fulmar.
Lots of gannets and
Fulmar, gannets, kits. Yeah, sandwich turner too.
Yeah,
black-headed gull were nice enough. Razorbill, a couple of auks.
Yeah, there's lots of auks, but when you're this high up, everything's a long way out.
Which is why we've got to get to the birds tomorrow with, what are they called? North Yorkshire Coast something? Nature?
Every time. Yorkshire Coast Nature.
Yeah. And presumably Rich and people will take us out on a sick trip.
Do you want me to fill the names in?
Please. Anyway.
So I know Johnny Mac's out tomorrow. That's the only person out of Yorkshire Coast Nature that I know is definitely there.
There's only people called Johnny on this boat.
Mark
Pearson.
Could be Ditto.
Yeah. I mean, basically everyone wants to see the Corys off tomorrow, off Yorkshire, so we'll all be there.
They probably will suppress it from me, you know that, don't you?
Well, because there's a threat. Because you're such a Yorkshire.
Yeah, I'm already on more than them.
Would you say you are more than them put together?
I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a good old laugh. And we'll see what we see.
And we'll be well hydrated. So, given it's been a while since we've communicated with our humble fans, have we got any, chat for them? Like inspirational chat?
Inspirational chat?
Yeah,
just threw that in there. Inspirational chat. What I would say is, whatever you're doing in life, whatever age you are, whatever situation you're in, if you get an opportunity to do something that seems a bit like, we shouldn't do that, it's a bit expensive, missus is going to go crazy, he's going to go crazy, whatever. Do it.
And if your other half is like, that's a poor life choice.
This is going to go badly.
No, just show them this video. And be like, well, look at these legends overachieving.
Overachieving.
Love you, bye.